Okay, so sa mga pagkakataong ito, nandito na tayo sa exact location natin ay nandito tayo sa Magapit ferry station na kung saan po ay nakasakay na tayo ng isang bangka, and we are about to move and cross the mighty Cagayan River with this unfriendly condition ng ating atmosphere. And there goes, nandun yung ating ferry boat arriving at the landing port. Medyo tumaas po ang tubig as compared to the former, yung usual level ng water natin because of the rain probably. And over there we have the Magapit suspension bridge, and now the engine goes on as we have to move, and of course we have to say our little prayers to save us from our journey across the Cagayan River. So I guess yung mga passengers, kasama natin mga passengers, you feel safe, okay? Don't panic, you are in safe hands. So ito po yung grupo natin nakasakay dito sa motorboat crossing the mighty Cagayan River, and there goes the water. Tumaas ang level ng ating weather, ang water ngayon. We are now slowly and gradually approaching yung place na kung saan tayo magdi-disembark dito sa motorboat. Okay? And hold on. Kumapit at bubundol tayo, sudden stop.
Continuous rain, maerod, maerod.
Dapat dito masemento.
Okay.